This is not your grandpa's garden hose. This is a 3,000 psi banshee scream of purified pressure designed to obliterate dirt, decimate mildew, and shave years off your driveway shame. Welcome to How to Man. Today, we're pressure washing the driveway so hard the neighbors will wonder if you're prepping for a NASA landing pad. So your driveway looks like it hosted a demolition derby, followed by a moss convention, and maybe a haunted car wash. You could live with it, or you could declare war on it. And make no mistake, this is war. And in this war, the pressure washer is your battle axe. You're not just cleaning, you're erasing history, one blast at a time. So let's talk weapons. If your pressure washer is electric and under 2,000 psi, congratulations. You're misting your driveway like it has sensitive feelings. What you need is gas-powered growling, 2,500 to 3,000 psi of hydraulic vengeance.
Power.
Power! Power!
Power.
Power.
Powerful stuff, huh?
PSI is broken down by pounds per square inch, right? More PSI, that means more power. GPM, another three-letter acronym, gallons per minute. The more gallons per minute means faster coverage. It's called the flow. Combine the two, and you've got the Excalibur of home maintenance. Checklist overlay. You need a gas-powered engine. 2,500 to 3,000. 2.5 to 4 gallons per minute. 25 to 50-foot hose. Safety glasses, unless you're into sudden, forceful blindness. Safety first, guys. Behold, the sacred circle of destruction. These are your nozzles. Each one has a specific purpose. Or, in the case of two of them, a specific court-ordered warning. So, the red tip, the death ray mode, really. This is a scalpel of pressure washing. The red tip, death ray mode, the angry one. The I don't need friends nozzle. It focuses all PSI into a single demonic point. Use this only if you want to cut a concrete driveway in half, etch your initials into brick, or accidentally remove your own toes. Do not use on cars, pets, or anything you want to see tomorrow. Okay, a little less intense, but still pretty damn intense. The Enforcer, it's the 15-degree yellow tip. This one's for concrete, bricks, and emotional therapy. Think of it as the big brother to the red tip. Still aggressive, still dangerous, but just slightly more reasonable. Still, don't get cocky. You hit your flip-flop with this, and you're going to know what asphalt tastes like. Now this is my baby, the workhorse, the 25-degree green tip. This is your everyday nozzle, the one you can count on. Cleans concrete without cracking it, sprays siding without removing paint, and gets the job done without writing your eulogy. It's like the reliable pickup truck of the bunch, rugged, effective, slightly underappreciated. You may have this one in your setup, might not. I don't have one. So imagine here what I'm saying. Imagine this is a white one with 40 degrees. It's the gentleman of pressure washer sprayers. This one wears loafers and drinks bourbon. It's soft, wide, and calm. Use it for things that can't take the heat, like windows, patio furniture, and that garden gnome your wife says you're not allowed to blast. It won't clean deep stains, but it won't destroy anything either, unless your ego counts. Last but not least, the black tip. It's the suds cannon, the soap dispenser of justice. This doesn't clean, it prepares. It's your foam layer, your grime softener, your chemical pre-strike before the meat. So think of it as tenderizing the meat before you grill it with 3,000 psi. You want to feel like a god among men? Get yourself a surface cleaner. It's a circular spinning miracle that takes your 25-degree nozzle and turns it into a tactical carpet bombing device. It'll clean flat surfaces in half the time without the zebra stripes. You know, you can get some bonus attachments as well. You know, an extension wand for gutters or proving you're taller than your neighbor. Turbo nozzles for when regular violence isn't enough. Soap tanks. Load up like a boss. So with that soap game, this is the marination phase. You spray on the soap, let it soak into the shame. Don't use dish soap or car wash garbage. Get real pressure washer detergent made for concrete or driveways. I've done the Palmolive. I've done the Dawn. It just doesn't work as well. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not let it dry unless you want sticky regret. Now comes the moment. This is your pressure washing montage. Put on your safety glasses. Grip the wand like it's the last cold beer on earth and unleash. So a step-by-step recap here. Sweep the debris, get everything off. Hook everything up, right? Make sure that the water's flowing before you turn that engine on. Pre-rinse. Spray soap. Wait. Hit with the green or yellow tip. Green. Don't use the yellow tip. Green tip. Use surface cleaner for coverage. Spot clean with the yellow if needed. Do not use the red on your driveway. Step back and admire your new manhood monument. You're not just cleaning. You're rewriting the DNA of this driveway. Let the surface dry fully. Then, if you want to be legendary, apply concrete sealer. It'll keep out moss, grime, and regret. Your driveway will shine like a UFC fighter in church clothes. I personally don't use the sealer, but nothing against it. Just I haven't bought it before. So, you started with a driveway that looked like it was used in a Mad Max movie. Now it's clean. It's proud. It's glorious. If your HOA isn't suspicious that you hired professionals, you didn't go hard enough. So like, comment, and subscribe. Next time on How to Be a Man, how to install a toilet without crying in front of your wife.